Pertandingan pertemuan Indonesia Open 2025. An Seong dari Korea melawan Busanan Ong Rumpan dari Thailand pada ronde ke-32 besar. Pembukaan yang ketat mengawali jalannya pertandingan, di mana awalnya Busanan sempat memimpin dengan penuh percaya diri. Ia memimpin skor dengan 2-3.
To sort of start slower, An Se-young. We've seen that so many times in matches where she's been behind at the break, either drop the first. If there was anybody that could have that longevity in her career in protecting their body, she's definitely one of those types of players.
Yeah, and the other one of those things that's really hard to kind of define, but she does.
It's an amazing ability, and it all comes from
Dan 4-3. Namun kesalahan pengembalian Busanan membuat An Se-young berbalik unggul menjadi 5-4.
Good length off the tight net shot from the tie. Doesn't, and there has been 2 or 3. Oh, there's that backhand again from An Se-young. The risk is for the tie. I mean, if she goes too early, if she tries too hard to win the point early, the counter attack from the Korean. And she made some pretty bad errors too.
Momentum itu dimanfaatkan An Se-young untuk memimpin pertandingan.
That's been the best available in sport.
I haven't heard much media from An Se-young over the last sort of few days.
An Se-young mengontrol penuh pertandingan. Meskipun Busanan sempat menyamakan skor 7-7, An Se-young segera mendominasi, menutup interval game pertama dengan keunggulan 11-7.
Beautiful shot. It's a brilliant net shot.
Perfect matchup for An Se-young straight games. So if there is a kind of measure after the defeat last week in the quarters
means she's playing on the first day, which means she gets a day off tomorrow, and assuming she comes
as well, and to have the opponent she's got here today, assuming she comes through this match, it couldn't have been a better start to the week. Great shot. One or two shots later, this time, Ong Rumpan just dispatched that cross drive.
Gets out the... Oh, well.
That was an unusual return of serve. I think she was... looked a bit slow physically for a moment there, An Se-young. Brilliant, Ban Rongfan being so far behind. To use the time wisely, to find out how she's going to beat the...
Ya, dan akhirnya An Se-young memenangkan game dengan skor 21-14 di game pertama.
It's got to be the longest rally we've seen in the match so far. Oh, he's an independent player from the Federation. I don't think that's the case, but it might be. That it looked quite good there, so...
Game kedua, An Se-young begitu dominan, tampil agresif sejak awal, menggabungkan drop shot tajam dan smashing kuat.
While she's not currently at the top of the rankings, you could see An Se-young is still looking a little unsettled. Now's the time to focus and apply some pressure, but do it in a conservative way. So early and missing wildly. That's not the An Se-young we're used to seeing. This is a bit more like the An Se-young. She's had chances there to hit hard or apply more pressure. She chooses not to, and that's typical of the Korean. She's happy normally. Oh! Young looks like a slightly different player at the start of this second than she did in the way she finished the first. Fence. That makes her want to get through the...
Membuat Busanan sulit mengembangkan permainan. Jika dilihat dari game pertama dan game kedua, transisi cepat dan variasi serangan An Se-young mampu mencampurkan serangan tajam dan pertahanan solid, memaksa Busanan ke posisi defensif. Pengelolaan mental setelah kalah di Singapore Open, An Se-young menunjukkan ketenangan, memanfaatkan momentum dengan efektif.
It's a really good period for Thailand's women's singles at the moment. I don't think I can remember a time previously.
I wouldn't say back to her absolute best, but certainly played as well as I've seen her for some while.
Yeah, and back inside the top 10 as well now in Tanon. Chochawong at 7 and Kataton in terms of women's singles. Talking about when we get to the Shiyu Chi match in what might be 10 or 15 minutes time. I think the tactics have changed slightly in defense for the Thai. She's trying something different. Clear the attacking one to get your opponent on the back foot, which we've seen a lot of today from An Se-young. There's another one.
Every time she's kind of looked like she's going to...
You still find a way to come through with the win, and defense from An Se-young, but actually the attack from Busanan has been very, not predictable, but close to the body, but not at the body. That's a great rally. Oh!
Still going, she's going...
An Seong tampil superior dengan penguasaan teknik dan mental yang matang. An Seong sukses membayangkan atmosfer awal yang tegang melalui variasi serangan dan kontrol ritme permainan, meraih kemenangan strike set dan melaju ke babak 16 besar.